STEM activity entitled M&M Puzzler. Essential questions: what is an observation? How are observations made? What is an inference? And how are observations and inferences similar or different? The problem with the investigation: what information might you want to know about the bag of M&Ms that you will receive? Observation: without opening the bag of M&Ms, what observations can you make to help you guess how many M&Ms are in the bag? You want to write out as many observations as possible. The hypothesis: without opening up the bag of M&Ms, how many M&Ms do you think are in the bag? And you will need to write out an if, then, because statement. You will need to write out your thoughts and an if, then, because statement based on that question. The experiment: how do we determine if the hypothesis is supported or not supported? The materials that you will receive will be one bag of M&Ms and a data table, which will be included within the packet of information. Remember, a procedure is a set of instructions for the experiment, and you all will need to write a procedure for this experiment to determine how many M&Ms are in the bag, and add as many spaces as you like. With the scientific method, just a few notes: the results show the data or the information that is collected or gathered with the experiment. The data can be represented by way of data tables, graphs, charts, etc. You will need to use a pair share to find out if your data is similar or is perhaps different from other classmates. There will be a data table for you to graph your personal information, and then at some point you will need to figure out how some of your other classmates' data compare to yours. The conclusion: based on your data, what do you know about a random bag of M&Ms picked up from a grocery store? Again, you will need to state whether if your hypothesis was supported or not supported. If you think at the beginning that it's a particular number, and at the end of the experiment you find that that number is the same, then it will be supported. Obviously, if the number at the beginning and the end are different, then your hypothesis is not supported. Your hypothesis is never right or wrong. It's either supported or not supported. What type of careers could be important with knowing the certain number of colors of a particular part of any area? You also need to draw a person or people or even a machine that could be used to arrange candies by color. And then once you draw your sketch, you will need to describe your sketch as well. Thank you.